Dear students, today we learn how to change an active voice into passive voice in past perfect tense. You see, I take the example in active voice. She had written a letter. So here she is the subject, had written verb, and a letter object. And its formula to change in passive voice, the main form or main verb structure should be had plus been plus third form of the main verb. Now we change it into passive. At first we write the subject. What will be the subject? A letter. A letter is the object in active voice. So as per the rule, it is changed into subject in passive voice. So a letter becomes here subject. With it, had plus been. As per the rule, had plus been, as it is in the past perfect tense, so had should be written, not have or has. Always had will be written. With it, a been is added and third form of the main verb. So what is the main verb? Write, and its third form or past participle form is written, which is also in the active form. So had written is in the active form and its passive form is had been written. Okay, I tell you again, had written is the active form and its passive form would be had been written. Written is the third form of the main verb. As in perfect tense, we always write the third form or past participle form of the main verb. After that, by the agent and her. Her is object here, which is changed from she. She is the subject in the active voice. So as she is a pronoun, it is changed into her and it becomes in the passive the object. Okay, so the whole form, passive form is a letter had been written by her. Okay, I think you understand. You try to understand carefully, then there is no problem to get it. Thank you. Now I give you another example to make it clearly. You see, in the active form, I had completed the assignment. It is in the active voice. Here I is the subject, had completed verb, and the assignment object. So if we change it into passive voice, as per the rule, we have to change the object in the active voice as the subject in the passive voice. So as the assignment is the subject, is the object in active voice, so it becomes the subject in passive voice. So at first we write the assignment as subject. With it, had been. As per the norms of the past perfect tense, to change it into passive, we have to write had, with it a been, and then the third form of the main verb, that is completed. As in the active voice also, it was completed, had completed, and here in the passive voice it becomes had been completed. An extra been is added between had and completed. So there is little less trouble to make you understand that only been is added in passive voice. Otherwise, had and completed will remain the same. After that, by, agent or preposition, and me, the object, which is transformed from I, which is the subject in the active voice. Here it is transformed into me. So me here becomes object. So the full form of the passive is the assignment had been completed by me. Okay. Here you also see, as our previous classes, we give an example in negative sentence also. The sentence is in active voice, I had not completed the assignment. So if we change it into passive, at first we write the assignment as subject, after that had, then not, the negative form, and been completed by me. So it is very easy for you to understand that the assignment had not been completed by me in the passive voice in past perfect tense here is the procedure to change it into passive voice. Okay,